Welcome to our Regulations video series. I'm Laura, your Customer Success Manager, here to guide you through Vietnam's new personal data protection law, passed in 2025 and set to take effect in 2026, and what it means for your business, your website, and your data responsibilities. The law is Vietnam's first comprehensive privacy law. It replaces Decree 13 from 2023 and introduces rules that align with international standards like the EU's GDPR. Here is a short timeline. Vietnam introduced its initial framework in 2023 through Decree 13. In June 2025, the National Assembly passed the law, which will go into effect starting January 1st, 2026. The law applies to any organization, local or foreign, that processes personal data of individuals in Vietnam. It covers all sectors and doesn't require any revenue or data volume threshold. Certain types of processing are exempt, such as private household use, government security operations, anonymized research, and some journalism or artistic expression, provided they respect public interest protections. Businesses need a valid legal reason to process personal data. They must notify users, conduct risk assessments for high-risk activities, assign a data protection officer when required, and keep detailed records. Website owners must present privacy policies, collect opt-in consent for non-essential cookies, allow users to withdraw consent, and provide tools for data subject requests, like access or deletion. There are added responsibilities for sensitive personal data and for processing children's data. Impact assessments are mandatory in many cases, especially when profiling or transferring data abroad. Individuals can access, correct, or delete their personal data, restrict its use, or object to processing. They also have the right to file complaints with the authorities or pursue legal action. The Ministry of Public Security enforces the law with fines up to 3 billion Vietnamese dong, or even 5% of a company's annual global revenue for severe violations. Authorities can also suspend operations or publish violations. Thank you for joining us. At Climb, we're here to help you navigate compliance with ease. Visit us at climb.io to learn more about our all-in-one digital compliance solution.